What's the meaning of chatline? Chatline. Chatline.
Chatline. Chatline. A chatline refers to a service that allows people to communicate with each other over the phone or internet. Typically, these services are used for socializing or dating, and users can connect with others who share similar interests. Chatlines often involve recorded greetings and prompts, where users can select options to be connected with someone who meets their preferences. Some chatlines charge users for access, while others are free. Overall, a chatline serves as a platform for people to connect and communicate with others in a fun and convenient way.